Spicy corn on the cob or spicy corn masala. Easy to make this recipe. Yippee! New logo coming up. All you lovely people who love Indian curry recipes, thank you so much for all your love. Let's start with this recipe. Social distancing, remember. Sanitize. Bravo for helping, little one. That's my little one helping with cleaning off the kernel. Maize or corn. So use some sizzling butter. So I'll show you this recipe. This is really easy. These were actually taken from the farm. They're really fresh. So I melted some butter, some paprika, or you can use Kashmiri red chili powder, chaat masala, lemon water and salt. That's the view from my house. Well, all the scaffolding was because of the glass work in our balconies. And we're very close to the tube. Nice view, isn't it? You can see the central London as well. Beautiful. Anyways, so that's my balcony and I'm doing some cooking here. So you just apply everything and the spice, and guess what? You can store this in the freezer for months and cook it in the oven. Now once you have finished cooking, you can sprinkle some more chaat masala and more spices on top as you wish. Salt, lime juice, red chili powder, anything that you like. Yep. So this corn can be eaten anytime. It's good in winters as well. Bonus tip idea. Oh, do you remember my Cafreal masala? Just make the ground spice and add some vinegar to it and sugar while grinding. Guess what? You can keep this in the fridge, this paste, for months. It'll remain fresh for weeks and in the freezer for months. So whenever you buy a chicken, you can then just apply and fry it. Tasty, yummy Cafreal anytime. Just follow my recipe on my YouTube channel. And if you have not subscribed, remember, subscribe. New recipes every week. By the way, I got delayed because we're working on a logo and a website. So it's coming up. Stay tuned. And new recipes every Friday at 12 p.m. Don't forget the bell button for notifications. Thank you. Bye.